Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite types of skincare products, and that is a facial mist. Now of course facial mists are not necessary to have in a skincare routine. You don't need to have this step if you don't want to, but they are nice to use, especially to add additional hydration, something to prep your skin for your serums and your moisturizer. If you're someone that likes to apply your skincare products onto damp skin, then using a facial mist before each application is a great way to achieve that. But facial mist can also be great to calm and soothe a skin barrier, or of course to address signs of aging. So I have a little bit of everything in today's video, and I like using these depending on what my skin needs at that time. So of course all of them will be linked below for you for your reference, including discount codes and related videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, as I would love to have you all here long term. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, as it really does help to support my channel. Alright, so the first facial mist is by NIOD. This is the superoxide dismutase saccharide mist. I use this pretty much every day, twice a day, and I've been doing that for a really long time. If you've been with me for a while, you know how much I love this product. Now, this is a facial mist that truly does it all. It has antioxidants in it that can help to, of course, address signs of aging, but antioxidants protect our skin from everyday pollution. So if you want to use this with another type of antioxidant serum or your vitamin C serum, you could totally do that. And then of course, all of those antioxidants can really help to protect your skin from everyday stressors, but also it can help to brighten your skin. It hydrates the heck out of your skin as well. And there's ingredients in here to help calm an irritated skin barrier. If you have facial redness, this can really help to reduce on rosiness. And it's a friendly product that can be used with any skincare product or skincare ingredient. And I do use this with pretty much everything. So if you're looking for a facial mist that does it all, something for signs of aging, to calm a skin barrier, to help hydrate and reduce on redness, this is it. Next is the Tower28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This is hypochlorous acid, and I recently uploaded a video all about this ingredient, the benefits, how to use it. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it below for you for your reference, as well as up here. I go into a lot of detail in regards to hypochlorous acid, and this is a new ingredient that I just started to incorporate in both my morning and nighttime routine. I use this more in my nighttime routine, but I use it occasionally in my morning, and it does a fabulous job if you're acne prone. So this has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. If you're acne prone on your face, your chest, or your back, spritz this from head to toe, or just use this on localized areas. It does a good job to keep your skin nice and clear. It will kill fungi, viruses, bacteria, pathogens. It kills everything. It's basically like using hand sanitizer all over your body or your face, but way more gentle. It's not harsh in the least. It doesn't dry out your skin. It keeps your skin comfortable, and it's also very hydrating as well. If you have redness, this can help to reduce on redness. If you have any cuts or scrapes, you can spritz this on those areas, and it can help to keep that area clean, where you heal a lot quicker. So there's a lot of benefits to hypochlorous acid, and I love the one from Tower28, but I will link up some additional options below for you from other brands that are more affordable if you're interested in this ingredient. But I can't live without this. This has really made a big difference in my skincare routines, and since being consistent with this, I have not experienced any breakouts. Next is the Timeless HA Matrixyl Spray. I've been using this on and off for several years, and this never ever disappoints. This is a nice facial mist that hydrates and plumps the skin, but it can also address signs of aging at the same time. So this has hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate, Matrixyl 3000, which is a powerful peptide that helps to address signs of aging and help to stimulate new collagen. The aloe in here can help with anti-inflammatory properties and to help soothe the skin, and the cucumber extract can also be calming and soothing. Now this smells like real chopped up fresh cucumbers. It doesn't smell artificial in the least, and it's very, very refreshing to use. So of course I love using this within my skincare routine after cleansing, in between my serums and before my moisturizer, but I love using this throughout the day as well. So you can spritz this on a full face of makeup. You can spritz this on top of sunscreen, tinted sunscreens, and if your skin ever becomes tight throughout the day, spritz this all over your face. It's so refreshing, and with that cucumber scent, it just smells like you've just dunked your face in a whole bunch of cucumbers. It's not super strong, but it has that nice little refreshing scent that just feels like you've just washed your face. It really makes a big difference. So throw this in your gym bag, throw this in your purse, the way you go, use it when needed, or use this within your skincare routine. There are 4 scents to pick from. They also have a rose extract, orange, and lavender. I haven't tried the orange or the lavender, but the rose is actually quite nice as well. Same formulation, just a different scent, but my absolute favorite is the cucumber. So if you love cucumbers, you have to try this one. Next is the Osea Sea Minerals Mist. This is a seaweed infused facial mist that hydrates, soothes, refreshes, and gives your skin that glowy, dewy complexion, which I really love. So I like to put this on top of a full face of makeup, or let's say I'm having one of those no makeup days and I just have some tinted sunscreen on and minimal makeup. I will spritz this all over my face, and this keeps my skin glowy and dewy and hydrated for the entire day. I don't have to reapply this throughout the day. This keeps my skin comfortable until I wash my face at nighttime. Now, of course, if you wanted to reapply this throughout the day, you totally could, and you can use this within your skincare routine, which I've done many times. This is a facial mist that will help to refresh and has that cooling sensation. So let's say you're outside for a long period of time and you're feeling flushed and you feel a little warm. Maybe you just got out of the gym. This is a nice product to use on top to cool off your skin. It really does a good job. Now, it has sea salt in it. It has aloe, hyaluronic acid, that trio blend of seaweeds. The Osea brand is known for having seaweeds in their formulations, and I love a lot of their products, especially their body care products. I love their ocean cleansing milk. That's a fabulous one, which I've talked about here on my channel. This is my second bottle, by the way. I just picked this up, which is why it looks like I haven't used it. But this is fragrance free, and I just can't recommend this enough. So if you love that dewy, glowy complexion, something to refresh, hydrate, and soothe the skin, I think you're going to really, really enjoy this. And the last facial mist is the Caudalie Grape Water. This is your true hydrating, soothing facial mist. There isn't a lot of ingredients in here, which is why I like it. And I like this especially when my skin barrier is compromised. So if I have that itch, that burning sensation, my skin is dry and tight, I will generally stop all of my active ingredients. I will stop using tretinoin, retinol, copper peptides, vitamin C, any type of exfoliating product, and I will create a skincare routine that is repairing, moisturizing, and hydrating. And so when I'm using these types of products, I like to use this facial mist with those, and I like to use this in between each application so that all of those products are applied to damp skin for better absorption. And this also is a great product even on its own to hydrate and soothe the skin, but when you pair this up with those ingredients that are repairing, your skin barrier heals up even quicker. So I don't use this all the time. I use this when I need it, but I also like using this during the day as that refresher if my skin is feeling tight, if my skin is feeling flushed and I have that warming sensation and I can't seem to cool myself down. I will pop this in the fridge for a little bit and then apply this to my face when it's nice and cold, and I'm telling you, it does the trick. If you're looking for something that just has limited ingredients but just gets right to the point for hydration and soothing, then this is a great one to look into. So those are my top 5 favorite facial mists. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you found it helpful, and most importantly, I hope I was able to introduce you to something new today. Let me know if you're into facial mists and what is your go-to. Let's get a conversation going in that comment section. Again, these will be linked below for you for your reference, including discount codes and related videos. I will link up my hypochlorous acid review video, and I will also leave some videos below for you where I talk about and apply some of these facial mists onto my skin, like skincare routines and so on, especially if you want to see them in action. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.